This is the Steelseries Arctis 7P, the premium offering by Steelseries, which is made only for PlayStation. So let's begin. So here is the headset in all its glory. The white and blue color looks really good. Let's pull it out. Okay, as you can see, this looks really premium and feels like premium as well. The best part is this is over the ear, so it won't affect your ears. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get a bunch of cables. We'll just go through them one after one. This is the dongle which will help us to connect with the PlayStation 5. And here's some booklet which they have provided us. Let's see what we have. So we have some booklet with some basic guidelines, and there's some interesting emojis. Okay, so just a thank you letter from them. That's all. And let's focus on the main product, Steelseries Arctis 7P. Let's open it up. Looks really cool. Yeah, the best part. So yeah, this is what we get. These are built by Steelseries, and they're also made of steel and really premium and yet lightweight. And you get this Velcro part, so which will feel really good on your head, and then you can adjust it with this. Here we got the mic control, the volume button. This is where you can connect a wire for your headphones. This is the charging dock, charging pipe. And one bad thing is this is not a type C, so which they had given a type C. Here is the volume controller where you can decide if you want to increase the game volume and your voice volume as well. Here's the power button, and well, that's all. So this is all we get in the box. For the detailed review, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.